Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you some vintage Shabby style garden decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some vintage Shabby style garden decorating tips. Mix old and new decor. Combine antique style pieces with fresh flowers and simple modern touches. A slightly weathered look makes the garden feel charming and cozy. Use distressed furniture. Paint wood or metal furniture with chalk paint and lightly sand the edges for a worn vintage appearance. Add plenty of flowers. Choose romantic cottage style flowers such as roses, peonies, lavender, daisies, and hydrangeas for a lush garden feel. Decorate with vintage accessories. Use watering cans, lanterns, bird cages, old buckets, teacups, or wooden crates as decorative pieces or planters. Create cozy seating corners. Add cushions, crochet straws, and floral fabrics to make a small relaxing spaces in the garden. Add soft lighting. Fairy lights, lanterns, and candle holders can make the garden look magical in the evening. Use wicker and rattan decor. Wicker baskets, rattan chairs, and oven trays bring warmth and texture to Shabby gardens. Display flowers in groups. Cluster flower pots together in different sizes instead of placing them separately. This creates a fuller and more charming look. Decorate fences and walls. Hang small flower baskets, mirrors, wooden signs, or vintage frames on fences and curtain walls. Use layered lighting. Mix fairy lights, lanterns, candles, and solar lights for a magical evening garden atmosphere. Keep a collected vintage look. Instead of matching everything perfectly, combine different vintage items for a naturally collected and lived-in style. Use floral prints everywhere. Floral patterns on cushions, tablecloths, umbrellas, and outdoor fabrics help create a classic Shabby atmosphere. Add an antique garden shelf. Use an old wooden shelf or distressed cabinet to display flower pots, candles, and vintage accessories. Create a relaxing reading corner. Place a cozy chair, soft cushions, and a small side table under a tree or pergola for a peaceful vintage retreat. Use mismatched vintage pieces. Mix different chair styles. pots, and decor items instead of matching everything perfectly. This gives the garden authentic vintage charm. Decorate with hanging flowers. Hanging flower baskets filled with ivy, petunias, or trailing flowers make the garden feel large and layered. Add mirrors for extra charm. Vintage style mirrors on fences or walls can make small curtains appear bigger and larger. Use rustic curtain signs. Hand painted wooden signs with floral or cottage inspired words add personality to the space. Blend nature with decor. Allow vines, flowers, and greenery to grow naturally around furniture, arches, and decorative pieces. Decorate with seasonal flowers. Use tulips and daisies in spring, roses in summer, and red flowers in autumn for year-round beauty. Keep the atmosphere soft and peaceful. The goal of Shabby chic decorating is to create a relaxed, charming, and welcoming outdoor space with a touch of nostalgia. Use old windows and doors as decor. Vintage windows and distressed wooden doors can become beautiful garden backdrops or wall decorations. Decorate with soft pastel pots. Choose flower pots in muted shades like dusty pink, cream, pale blue, and shell green for a gentle vintage look. Create height with plant stands. Use ladders, turret shelves, or old iron stands to display plants at different heights. Include vintage-inspired curtain gates. A white wooden gate or decorative iron gate can make the entrance feel magical and welcoming. Use dried flowers for decoration. Hang dried lavender, roses, or wildflowers in baskets and jars for a timeless cottage touch. Make the garden feel collected over time. Choose decor that looks meaningful and slightly imperfect instead of overly modern or polished. Use natural materials: wood, wicker, iron, linen, terracotta, and stone. All work beautifully in Shabby chic curtains. Add a soft fragrance. Plant lavender, jasmine, roses, and herbs to make the garden smell as beautiful as it looks. Layer different flower types. Mix large blooms, tiny wildflowers, and trailing plants together for a soft, overflowing cottage look. Add a romantic swing, a white wooden swing or hanging bench with floral cushions creates a dreamy curtain corner. Use vintage lantern collections. Group lanterns of different sizes together on tables, pathways, or steps for extra charm. Decorate with garden roses. Climbing roses and English roses are perfect for creating a classic Shabby atmosphere. Add small cafe-style spaces. Create tiny outdoor breakfast or tea areas with pastel dishes and delicate floral decor. Use reclaimed wood. Old wooden crates, shutters, or pallets can become shelves, planters, or decorative walls. Blend wild and elegant elements. Mix neatly arranged vintage furniture with slightly wild flowers and greenery for a natural romantic balance. Make small spaces feel magical. Even a tiny balcony or patio can look Shabby with layered plants, fairy lights, and vintage accessories. Style an outdoor dining area. Use floral plates, lace runners, candles, and pastel glasses for a cozy Shabby curtain dining setup. Decorate with vintage watering cans. Display old watering cans filled with flowers near pathways, benches, or garden steps. Use soft curved furniture. Curved benches, rounded tables, and delicate iron furniture help create a gentle, romantic atmosphere. Create seasonal flower displays. Fresh flower arrangements with seasonal blooms to keep the curtain looking lively and charming all year. Keep the style light and airy. Avoid heavy dark colors or overly modern pieces. Focus on softness, vintage charm, and a welcoming atmosphere. Use distressed furniture. Paint wooden or metal furniture with chalk paint and lightly sand the edges for a warm vintage appearance. Choose romantic cottage-style flowers such as roses, peonies, lavender, daisies, and hydrangeas. Thanks for watching the video.